Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are going to be removing and reinstalling a Immobilizer antenna module in a 2008 Subaru Outback. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to disconnect the battery. We're going to use a 10mm wrench. Disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Loosen this up, twist it back and forth. Pull that out of the way. There's a Phillips head screw right here. We're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver, take this screw out. Then we're going to grab this panel with two hands and pull down. And then I'm going to pull this release, the adjuster for the steering column down, and then pull this panel out of the way. So next, to pull the upper cover off, there's 3 Phillips head screws. They're hidden. You kind of got to go in between these wiring harnesses here and go up there. That's for one. So we'll take that one out. Oh, there it is. And then there's another one right here in front of this white connector here. I'm going to take that one out. Pull that one out. And the last one, I'm going to pull the steering column outward and have it up with the adjuster down. And that one is over on this side. So once you get those out, put the steering column down, and then we can pull the upper cover off. All right, we're going to disconnect. We're not going to disconnect the connector, but we're going to pull these connectors out of our way. I'm going to use a trim tool, get underneath here, pry up, get that to release. So now there's a Phillips head screw on the back side of this theft module. So I'm going to take my Phillips head screw bit on a ratchet, and I just have to loosen it up just a little bit because it is slotted. You can't really see it. You got to feel around for it. Just loosen it a couple turns. All right, so the screw is loose on the Immobilizer on the front side. On the back side, there's a little clip. I'm going to use a right angle pick, and I will get underneath here and try to get under it and pry it up a little bit, and then I should be able to pull the Immobilizer right off. All right, I'm going to loosen this screw a little bit more because it wasn't sliding too well. And then it slips right off. So I had to get underneath this with my pick, pry it up a little bit, then pull, and this is where the screw was, on this slot. So we just unscrewed that screw and it slides right out. Right here is that screw, that Phillips head screw. You just got to loosen it probably about 3 turns. Now I'm going to disconnect the light from this, just twist it, pull it out. And then we can disconnect the electrical connector for the Immobilizer right here. I'm going to push on this little square and then pull the wire out, just like that. And there's your Immobilizer module / antenna. Hook this connector back up, just like that. Install the light. Stick that in and then twist it. Now we can install this Immobilizer module / antenna. It'll click into place. We can grab our Phillips head bit on our ratchet. Feel around for that Phillips head screw. I'm just going to tighten it a little bit. Alright, so once it's snug, just a little bit more. And that's it. I'm going to reconnect this connector hold down into the slot. There we go, until it locks in place. Now we're going to put this cover on. Get that lined up good. We'll take our Phillips head screw. Go up in that hidden location. Just going to get it started so then I can wiggle it around to get the other ones in if I need to. And then get this last one in back here. I'll pull the column adjustment lever down. All right, all those screws are started. Now I'll snug them all down. Push down on the cover so it's lined up. Now we're going to put the lower cover on. Slide this in. Get it lined up with the upper cover. It's lined up, push it together. When it all clicks in place, you know it's in. Next we'll take our Phillips head screw, install that right here. And we can lock our steering wheel column. Then we can reconnect our battery. And take a 10mm wrench, tighten it up. I'm going to take and just wiggle the negative terminal and make sure that's good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.